What's up, everybody? I just got a box from Brad's Journey, and we're gonna see what's going on. As he also gave me this Mora knife. We're gonna check it out. Some of this packaging. Ooh, what we got? All right, if you know, you know. We got a ratatouille. We caught the mouse. And it looks like we got, pizza slice pepperoni, MRE.
Oh.
Add it. Add it to the list. Warfighter recommended. Warfighter approved. Thank you very much, Brad. I appreciate everything you do. And I'll open this up, and I like your letters. Brad's Journey. This is awesome. Thanks to Babs. Thank you, Brad. That's awesome. Hey!